Hello guys, so today I would like to show you the computer which I built for my son. It's nothing fancy, very basic one. So what we got here, we got the BioStar P45 board. It's exactly the T-Power i45, and the CPU is Intel E6600 with the Zalman cooler on it. Rubbish, don't buy it, it's very noisy. And 2 gigabytes of DDR2 RAM memory, 800 megahertz I believe. The graphic cards is AT1800 with the Accelero twin turbo on it. It's very quiet, but it's not cooling this card, you know, down. So I mean, probably is much cooler than on the stock cooling, but I'm disappointed. So the only good thing about this is very quiet. And the hard drive is SATA hard drive 250 gigabytes. The Ultra DVD rewriter IDE cable, as you can see. Don't bother, you know. So, and the power supply is OCZ 600 watts. And the new case, the only part new part on this build is the case. I bought it in Overclockers UK. It cost me 26 quid, and for this money you can get such a nice case which is painted black everywhere, toolless, as you can see. Even the extension slots, you don't need to use the screwdriver. And for that price you can get the case with pre-cutted hole that you don't have to take off your motherboard if you would like to replace your CPU cooler. So it's very nice feature. Not so bad cable management. Maybe the aluminium or steel, I don't know what is this. It's a little bit thin and a little bit flaky, but for this price I can't complain. So it came with the 120mm fan at the front, pre-installed. This one I had to install myself, and I'll show you the front of this case. So it's not so bad case for 26 quid. It's pretty nice. We have the USB ports, microphone and headphones jacks, power switch, reset switch. That's it. Okay, so pretty much that's it. It's nothing fancy, as I said. And I hope my son, when he will back from his vacation, he will enjoy it. So thanks for watching and see you next time.